Hi everyone, so today we are going to be talking about Instagram and how to better optimize Instagram as a model. This is going to be a little bit shorter and to the point because I'm not feeling good, as you guys can maybe hear in my voice, so just bear with me. And next week we are going to be talking about how to submit to magazines as a model. So the first thing we want to go over is our bio. So as you can see here on my bio, I have Colorado photographer. I have it tagged as a photographer, like my page actually says photographer. I have my name, I say what I do on there, and I have a link. Now your profile picture definitely should have a picture of you, at least so people can recognize you and know that it's you. I definitely recommend using all the different features of Instagram to optimize your page, and optimizing your bio is really, really important. So the things I definitely say are to have your name, have some kind of location, have that you model, and a link. Now, I really recommend using this name part where it says Colorado photographer to your advantage, because it pops up as the first thing when you go to search. So if you put Colorado model in there, you might be one of the first Colorado models when people go to search it, instead of just putting your name there, because you can put your name in your bio, right? So I definitely recommend using that feature. And as you can see here, when I type in Colorado model, the people who have Colorado model as their name pop up first. So you want to use it like a search engine. You want to use Instagram's explore feature like a search engine. This is really going to help you. And as you can see, I did Colorado photographer as well, but this actually has like its own little page. But I definitely recommend using that feature. Going back to the bio, it's also really, really important that people understand who you are and what you do. That's why I recommend putting your location and your name. Now, location can just be the state you're in or something like that. It doesn't have to be the city you live in. And how to get a hold of you or what you do. Like for me, I have a link, and also I say that I'm a photographer and I'm an agent. So I really recommend saying what you do on there. Modeling, if you want to tag your page as an actual model or just say that you do model, anything like that is perfect. Another thing that I'm going to really recommend is setting up some kind of link in your bio. Now, I personally use Linktree, which I'll show you in a second, but you can also do any other kind of link to something you like or anything like that, or a different social media or website. As you can see, I list my magazine, my website, my Pinterest, my models, everything like that. And you can set up a free account with Linktree and link several different things. So if you're a published model, you can link your previous magazines or different social medias or anything like that. I highly, highly recommend doing something like this. And like I said, Linktree is free to use. All right, next up, we're going to talk about insights, but my insights are down right now. So you can use post insights or the actual insights button on your page. Now, if you use post insights, you'll be able to see your likes, comments, discovery, interactions, where people found your post, and anything like that. So this is great information to see what hashtags are working for you, how many people are visiting your page, anything like that. Now, as you can see, my insights are down, and I tried everything. But you would be able to normally just click on that insights button on your page. Okay, I can't remember if you need a professional Instagram page or not, but if you do, go ahead and Google that. It's really easy to do, but I'm not going to go into it here. I'm just going to go ahead and Google Instagram Insights since mine are down right now and I've tried everything. Anyways, Instagram Insights, when you click on that button versus, looking at a post insight, this is the full insights, you'll be able to see things like activity. So how your profile is looking for the last 7 days or 30 days, content. So which content is doing best on your page. And you can do different filters to show that, like what content has the most likes, what content has the most comments, anything like that. And then you'll also have a place in the insights where you can learn about your audience and learn about what gender they are, where they are from, when are they most active, things of that nature. It's really, really important to use Instagram Insights as a model so that you can learn what is the best content to post and when is the best time to post it, because we really want to drive more engagement from our current audience. Yes, it's great to build a bigger audience, which we're going to work on, but it's also important to keep the audience that you already have engaged and active on your page. So you need to know when the best time to post is, first of all. Is it Friday at 6 p.m. or is it Wednesday at 7 a.m.? This will help you, because if your audience is on Instagram at Friday at 6 p.m., that's when you want to be posting. You also want to see what kind of content does the best. Does pictures of you taken by a professional photographer, do those types of posts do better than pictures, selfies or pictures of your dogs? You need to know that so that you can get more engagement. Take a look at your Instagram Insights. Look at what traffic is coming from where and everything like that. It'll be very, very helpful. Hopefully that was a good overview. Next up, we're going to talk about highlights. So using stories is really important, just like using every single feature on Instagram is very, very important. Instagram pushes content where the user uses all different types of Instagram features. So make sure you're posting on your stories, make sure you're posting IGTVs, make sure you're posting reels, make sure you're posting posts, everything like that. And going along with that, using your highlights. Now, I recommend having pretty pictures as the highlight covers. As you can see, I have pictures I've taken, and I get a lot of questions about how to do this, because usually you can just pick from the stuff you upload. Now I'm going to show you guys this really quick because it does look good on the profile, which I think is important. So instead of having one of these graphics that I've made as the cover photo, I'm going to go into more and then edit highlight, edit cover. And instead of picking one of these ones I've already uploaded, I'm going to click that little button icon to the left, and I'm going to pick something from my library. And once I've got an image picked out, you just upload it and press done. And it saves it. So that's how you can get, prettier pictures instead of the ones you upload on your story as the cover photo for your highlights, so it looks cohesive on your page. But regardless, using highlights is very important. Post behind the scenes, post things you've been tagged in, post anything like that that has to do with modeling. It will be really important. And the last thing I want to talk about is feature pages and hashtags. So as you can see through these posts, I've tagged some different feature pages like Denver models, portraits 5280, some senior pages, things like that. So it's really important to start following these feature pages and find some that you like and start using them, start tagging them in your posts, because if they repost you, that's great. That's a great way to drive more engagement to your page. It's a great way to be seen. It's a great way to get new followers, and it's a great way to be engaged with your community. So I highly, highly recommend this. And also going along with feature pages, also using hashtags. Now here I am just looking for a post where I use hashtags. Okay, now that I found one, you can use up to 30 hashtags on each post, and I highly recommend that you use your 30 hashtags. Now, in this example, I did not, so that's naughty on me, but you're going to want to use hashtags and try to diversify your hashtags. Use, like I said, your 30, and make sure you're using ones that pertain to you. So Colorado model is one that I use a lot, and make sure that you're actively engaging with these hashtags. Go on there and like them, follow them, comment on them, because that is going to drive your direct audience straight to your page. And it's super, super important, because the people that you want to look at your page are now going to be coming to your page. It's like filling out a request form of who you want to follow you and who you want to engage with, and then coming right over. So it's really important to use feature pages and hashtags. I know it's annoying and seems silly, but it's very, very important. And one more bonus tip for you guys is a trick I learned. Now, always reply to comments right when they happen, but then when you're ready to post something new, go in and like those comments right before you post something new. This gives that follower a notification that you've liked, their comment, and that actually pushes your new posts into their feed. And it's a way to work the algorithm in your favor. When someone has a notification from you, the first thing they're going to see is your new post. So make sure you go in and always respond to comments and like comments when you're getting ready to post something new. That will also help with engagement from your current audience. And I hope you enjoyed this short training on optimizing your Instagram as a model. Thank you guys for being patient with me, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.